Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I will show you how you can actually start dropshipping store. So basically there is multiple websites that actually provide you with this service. Like there is this website that's called You Can. So there is also the website that's called Shopify, and there is multiple websites. But in this specific video, I will show you a version of stores that's called Shopify. So Shopify is a platform that allows you to create a shop in it with only $1 per month. You can actually create a really cool design website for your dropshipping product and etc. And yeah, it's even makes it easier for you to determine the prices, the payment method, the delivery system, and so much details they give you. You can adjust and make it fit your desires. So how you can actually do it? Basically just come in here and just put here your email and then click on here and you will start making your store. So create store. Here, if you are here a new person or an old person, so here we choose this one, and here you choose whether you want shop online or social media or personal website or just like a blog website or like eBay and dropshipping stuff. So for us, we will go, for example, for these two. Now we click on continue. What kind of store they want to start selling? So for example, eBay, Google, Amazon, and Etsy, and others. Click on next, and now what they will do exactly is you will just name your shop. So let's give it a name. You can name it dropshipping, and you can click on next. After that, your shop must be created. After you put your reason, next, and that's it. Here you put a password and etc. And after that, you will have to pay to edit your product, to add stuff and etc. And you will be free to do whatever you like in your website. You can even add the menu and etc. So yeah guys, that was it for today's video. If you enjoyed, please leave a like and thank you for watching.